Hi guys, today Dom back here. I'm gonna do a pesto. It's gonna be a basil and rocket. So if you feel free to do either basil rocket or you feel free to do the rocket pesto. It's up to you guys. It's your own choice. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use half of each leaves, rocket and basil. So I'm gonna introduce the ingredients. Olive oil, I'm going to use a 50 milliliter of olive oil and 1.5 cup of rockets and 1.5 cup of basil and 3 cloves of garlic and 120 gram of Parmesan cheese and 100 of pine nuts. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put everything in the food processor and blend it up, and that's it. It's so much easier. But flavors, and within this you can make much more food. I'll show you in future videos what you're gonna make through the pesto. Okay, first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get the rockets and put it in, and I'm gonna put the basil, and I'm gonna put the 3 cloves of garlic, pine nuts, 120 gram of Parmesan cheese. It's look full, isn't it? Anyway, and 50 milliliter of olive oils. I'm gonna put it, but you guys make sure you measure it, and just cover it and just blend it. Let's go. Yeah. So once it's done. So it's gonna be like that, and you're gonna get into you collect them all into the bowl wherever you wanna store, and look, that's gonna be the final paste. So look like that, and you can cook the pastas, chicken, filling, and all kind of meal, whatever you want. Especially this goes with the white meat. Anyway, that would be. I'm gonna do more videos with the pesto. What we're gonna cook. So thanks for watching me, and I'm gonna bring up with more videos. Please do subscribe me, Cooking with the Brown Chef, and thank you. See you next time.